Hi guys, I'm having a lazy day at the moment because it's raining outside, but I would like to share you the next recipe or the following recipe. It is ginger cookies, soft ginger cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Dry ingredients. This is 2.5 cups of strong baker's flour, one heaping teaspoon of baking soda, a generous pinch of salt, and 1 heaping tablespoon of ginger powder. Mix it until nicely combined and set aside. For the sugar coating, this is 3 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of ginger powder, and quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just mix it and set aside for now. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 2 whole eggs with 1.5 cup of dark brown sugar and half tablespoon of vanilla essence, as well 1 cup of sunflower oil. We're just gonna cream this. I'll add in the flour and mix until combined. You can use spatula or your electromixer. Now scoop dough per 1 tablespoon and roll it on the sugar, and then place it on ungreased baking pan or cookie pan. You can also kind of flatten it if you like. Now bake on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. From the oven and move it to cooling rack to cool completely.